Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Angie. Welcome to Yarn Over. Today I would like to show you another stitch, the cobble stitch. The cobble stitch is very easy to do. It just requires a single crochet and a triple crochet. Don't worry about it. We're going to go through triple crochet step by step. And if you need help making any of these stitches, the single crochet or the triple crochet, I will go ahead and put some links in the description or in the comments that you can click on where I will go through each of these stitches separately. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you in a minute. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful textured cobble stitch. It is just absolute. I wish you could feel this. It is so wonderfully soft and textured. Look at the little bumps that you have here. Absolutely wonderful. This is amazing. It does look different on the other side. It's not the same. It's smoother, and on this side it's kind of bumpy. Yeah. Okay, so you're probably saying I can't do that, but believe me, you can. This is not very difficult at all. Let's go ahead and get started making this cobble stitch. I'm going to push this aside over here, and we're going to go ahead and get started on another one. This pattern says that we need multiples of 2 plus an additional 2. So make sure that when you make your chain, basically you need to have an even number, okay? So I've gone ahead and made a chain, and we're going to begin making this beautiful cobble stitch. So the first row is always different than every other row. So here's how we're going to begin. We're going to make one single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and in each chain all the way down, okay? So here's one, we're going to skip that, and we're going to go right into the second chain from the hook. Here's the hook, here's the first chain, and here's the second chain. So we're going to make a single crochet. Here's one single crochet, and we're going to make single crochets all the way down the row. Okay, here we go. Okay, single crochet all the way down the row. Here's our last one. I'm going to single crochet in here. There we go. Single crochet the first row, multiples of 2, and single crochet all the way down. That's our first row, our foundation row basically. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and begin row 2. We're going to chain 1, turn it around, and now we're going to begin our pattern. Okay, so we chained 1, and we're going to single crochet into the first stitch right here, right in this space, right in the first stitch. This is the first stitch. We're going to single crochet right in there, single crochet right in there. Okay, single crochet. Then we're going to do a triple crochet. What's a triple crochet? Okay, I'm going to show you right quick. Okay, a triple crochet is we're going to wrap our yarn around 1, 2 times. Okay, and we're going to insert our hook in here, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. That's a triple. We did it 3 times. Okay, then we're going to do a single crochet in here. Okay, in the next stitch we're going to do a triple. Triple, wrap around 1, 2, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Triple stitch, triple crochet. Okay, single crochet, triple crochet, yarn over 1, 2 times, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through. We have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a triple crochet. Okay, we're going to do a single, we're going to make a triple, yarn over 1, yarn over twice, 3 loops, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through. We now have 4 loops. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We now have a triple crochet. Okay, and we're going to do this 1 single crochet into our last stitch here. Always difficult to find that last stitch, isn't it? Single crochet. And we have completed our next row. Where are the bobbles, you said? Where are the little bumpy things that we saw here? Yeah, where are they? Well, turn it around for our next row, and there they go. They get pushed to the opposite side of what we're doing. Here go the bumpies. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our next row, which is a chain 1. Whoa. Let's try that again. We're going to chain 1 and we're going to single crochet in every stitch. Now this might be difficult to find, so here's our first stitch right here, single crochet. Let's look for our next stitch, which is right here. Okay, and single crochet all the way across. Single crochet. If you're having trouble doing it from the front, let's turn it over to the side so that you can look for those V's. Here's the V, single crochet, so with this stitch, if you're not if you're a very beginner, you're going to have trouble doing it facing you. So I suggest that you turn it over on the side a little bit and look for those V's when you make the stitches. Okay, so we're going to insert our hook under the legs of the V and just make single crochets all the way down. Okay, just look for the legs of the V and make single, that got away from me, single crochets all the way down. Look for the legs of the V all the way down. Okay, and here we go. Am I done with this row? No, please do not forget that last stitch. Okay, if you forget that last stitch, your your edges will be all wonky. Please make sure that you find that last stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Okay, all right. And there you go. That is our sedge stitch, and you just keep repeating that pattern over and over again. Chain 1, repeat row 2. I'm going to do that just right quick so that you can see. The first one is a single crochet. The next one is a triple. Okay, all the way down. Single, triple, single, triple. Okay, all the way down the row. Okay, so and then you just keep going until you have this beautiful textured cobble stitch. Okay, so the row goes as follows. You have a row of single, a row of single, triple, single, triple, single, triple, a row of single, and so on and so forth all the way up. If you want to learn how to make a single crochet, a triple crochet, a double crochet, whatever stitches, I do have links for how to make each of those stitches separately. Okay, yes, and here we have the cobble stitch. Okay, so cobble stitch, right? Pretty cool. Not that hard, and a great way to practice a brand new stitch, the triple crochet. And look what you were able to accomplish, a very beautiful and simple washcloth, highly textured. I mean, I wish you could feel this. It feels so wonderful, nice and textured on one side and flat on the other side. And once again, this stitch or any of the stitches can be great to make a full-length scarf, a baby blanket, and so many other things. The idea is to learn some basic stitches first. If you would like to know which yarn I used, I went ahead and put that in the link also. This is 100% cotton, great for washcloths, super absorbent, and not too difficult to work with. Okay, so if you liked this stitch, go ahead and push the like button so that I'll know to make more washcloths for you or more stitches. And if there's a stitch that you would like to learn how to make, go ahead and leave that in the comments and maybe I can make a video about it. So as usual, I had a really good time showing you how to make this, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye bye.